In the second phase of the 2024 general elections, Karnataka's Sadananda Gowda, representing Bangalore North, predicted a voter turnout surpassing 60%, up from the previous 52%. He expressed optimism about this increase benefiting the BJP's vote share, reflecting heightened engagement in the democratic process.
Sir, this time the percentage in Bangalore, it will go beyond 60%. Last time it was about 52%. This time, early morning the people started coming and a big queue. I myself stood in the queue nearly for 45 minutes. That shows that the people are really, they want to vote, and thereby the percentage will go high. When the percentage goes high, automatically BJP's vote share will go high.